Hi guys, this is Yugandhar.
This is Anvi. This is Vishnu.
And this is Deepak.
So, are you ready to know about our project?
Our project is titled Waypoint. It is a web-based mobile application. It's all about to navigating to a place where we intend to go using coordinates, and we can also set off an alarm when we reach to that particular spot. We intend to develop this app using .NET framework for Windows platform.
I shall now be telling you how I came up with this idea. There was this one day when I reached my friend's place. I was entirely new to the place, so I called him up and asked him to guide me to him. He did, and when I finally reached him, it was like ages. The other day, my dad dozed off in the bus, and you know what? We overshot our destination. So it was then that it struck me that I could develop an app that could accurately guide me to my intended place and also set off an alarm when I reach it.
Now what exactly happens with this application is, I start by sending the request to my friend of his coordinates, and once if he receives my application request, he will send back his coordinates back to my application. After receiving this application starts the navigation by activating the GPS system. So now, in the meanwhile, I start my journey to the intended location. In between, if I want to know where exactly I am, then it is quite possible, and this will avoid overpassing your destination. In the meanwhile, you may think, what is the difference between the regular GPS systems and our application? So, I would explain this very simple example. In the normal GPS systems, you will find only the hotspots and regular major landmarks. But if you want any address, suppose like if you want your relative's house or friend's house where you don't know and your first time in the city, then that is where exactly our application will come into existence. Also, once if I reach my intended destination, the alarm will go off, so that you will know that you have reached your intended destination.
What we are expecting from your side is, since this app is very complex, we are expecting monetary support and bit of help with the coding. Just imagine that how simpler our life with this app.
Signing off with this is Team Amazing Coders. Adios.